Good day. In this video, we're going to introduce you to the times tables. We're going to work with times naught and times 1. We're going to make a few videos all the way up to times 10. But this one will only handle times naught and times 1 and get you into the feeling. Please remember, if there's any concept that your child has trouble with in mathematics of grasping, please send a WhatsApp with a problem to this number. Then we will make a video to explain it and make it easier for you and the child that they can understand. Don't reinvent the wheel. Right, let's start with the naught times table. Naught times naught is naught, 1 times naught is naught, 2 times naught is naught, and 3 times naught is naught. What it actually means that you have 1 naught, 2 naughts, 3 naughts, but also understand all the way when you work in tables that you must be able to swap it around, because some people's brain like naught times 1 better than 1 times naught. I've got no 1s, no 2s, no 3s. But the child must learn in the beginning that you can swap them around and it'll still work out. Please don't underestimate the times naught table. The switches should run through with a child in grade 1 all the way up to 10 times naught. Then for a stronger child, you can ask what is 100 times naught, a half times naught, and even x times naught. All the answers is naught. Do not try and teach a child now what x is. Just work outside the frame of the baby work. Now we're going to start on the 1 times table. Naught times 1 is naught. We just had him. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. And 3 times 1 is 3. Do not stick. Try and understand what's going to happen now. You have no 1s is no, naught. 1 1 is still 1. 2 1s is 2, and 3 1s is 3. The same way 4 times 1 will be 4, because it's 4 1s will give me 4. But now remember to remind that 1 times 4 is the same as 4 times 1. This time you'll have 1 4 is 4. So 5 times 1 can be seen as 1 times 5. This is 5 1s is 5, or 1 5 is also 5. A child must get the feeling that he's allowed to swap around his multiplication tables as it suits him, and he's going to get the same answer. So 6 times 1 can be seen as 6 1s, which is 6, or he can swap it around and say I've got 1 6, which is 6. Do not make a choice for a child. He decides what suits him, and he must understand both ways. So 7 times 1 is 7, 8 times 1 is 8, 9 times 1 is 9, 10 times 1 is 10. Catching this pattern now, the child can see that 11 times 1 will be 11. 17 times 1 is 17. 100 times 1 is 100. A third times 1 is a third. Now it even sounds difficult. And x times 1 is x, without explaining what x is. Please take some advice from me and spend a lot of time on this 1 times table. We assume it's easy and we think the child has got it, but it gets used later on in maths in more complicated fractions and stuff. Then this becomes very important. So ask it, or every time when you're asking multiplication tables, remember to ask the 1 times table in between quite often, please. Write out the naught and 1 times table for the child and put these sheets in his room on his wall, that he can look at it and react and talk to you about what he sees. Please don't underestimate these 2 tables. Please indicate whether you liked or disliked this video. If there's any concept in maths that your child's got trouble with, or is unsure about, or that he asks you stuff about, please send a WhatsApp to us, to this number. State what he's asking or what he's thinking, and then we'll make a video to explain it, that we can all benefit from the question of your child. Enjoy mathematics. It's easy.